Welcome to the Anne Arundel Home Services Company. We're your local home services solution in Anne Arundel County. We offer over 40 interior and exterior services, from lawn mowing to additions. We have over 30 professional tradesmen who have over 20 years in their respective field. Calling multiple contractors is truly a thing of the past for Anne Arundel County residents. If you need anything inside or outside your home, you should call AACO Home today at 410-589-2819. For all interior projects of more than 3 days, we'll send a professional cleaning person to clean your home so you don't have to, for free. For all your exterior projects of more than 3 days, we'll power wash your home for free. We include conceptual drawing to scale for any project which needs a design for free in 24 hours. Upon signing our agreement and paying the 1/3 deposit, we'll provide a full design to scale ready with all the detail needed to be submitted to the county for permitting. Need help with permitting? We can handle that for you too. Why call multiple contractors when you can call one and save 15% off every service, every time, forever? Are you an Anne Arundel County employee or military service member? Military, police, fire, paramedics, teachers, politicians, sports coaches? You get 25% off. Looking for more savings? Check out our handyman service special, $49 per month for 1 hour of handyman labor. We have additional plans too. We only service Anne Arundel County because we care about the community which we're based out of and all live in. You can trust our team to service the inside and outside of your home with detail and top-level communication. We aren't done unless you're happy. With over 100 5-star reviews from local AACO residents, we can be trusted with your home. Please call 410-589-2819 or visit aacohome.com for a same-day free consultation and to receive a free estimate within 24 hours. We look forward to working with you.